Hey guys, showing you my grocery haul. We've got the Philadelphia, and this is the honey pecan that we put on our bagels. I got low-fat cottage cheese, and this is a Live Active for digestive health. And I promise you, it does work. I got these cookies. I got little pumpkin cookies, pumpkin face cookies. I will give these to when we go to appointments. And we've got a dozen eggs, which is Eggland's Best, the large. We always love their eggs. Next, I got Italian dry salami, and this has some little biscuits, cracker things for snacking. And then I got the other kind, the wine-infused salami. We've not tried those yet. I got some twists, some from moderate cheese, twists, reduced fat, mozzarella and cheddar cheeses. We've got these Nom for dippers. And we've got the, this is the hummus, and we've got the roasted pine nut. We like that. We've got also the watermelon. We got Ocean Spray Diet Cran Pineapple and Cranberry with lime. Orange juice. We got the tapioca and the rice pudding. This one is the tapioca pudding, and this one we got a cucumber, and this is the rice pudding. We got the Land of the Lakes. I've not tried this butter yet, but I did this olive oil and sea salt. I'm going to try that out, see if we like it. We got some pimento cheese. I doctored this up. This is gluten-free. I keep it refrigerated, of course, but I doctor it up with some of my ads. I'll have to show you that sometime. Then I got some of these sweet peppers, which I love these. I just cut them up and eat them with my hummus or with the dip it in pimento cheese. Bananas. We got tomatoes, milk, some distilled water. And for my cleaning stuff, I got the Method dish soap. I really like this. The Greener Clean Scotch-Brite sponges. I love those. This is the Tide washing machine cleaner. I put it in once a month for my washing machine, and it really does make a difference with that. Soft scrub bleach with bleach in it. My housekeeper loves this, and I always make sure I don't run out. Never had done this before with this Tide Oxy, and it's for front loaders, which I have a front loader. And then I got the Lysol Clean and Fresh, which my housekeeper loves that too. So that gives you an idea of what I got, and wanted to show it to you today. Oh, I forgot the kettle cooked originals. Ron loves those. Okay, guys, hope you have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile, and if you do, you might get one back. I love you until tomorrow, and I'm sending you a hug.